PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a prominent commercial HVAC service provider located in Kutztown, Pennsylvania. Our team offers a variety of HVAC services that cater to both residential and commercial customers. These services include the installation, repair, and maintenance of HVAC systems. We are licensed and have received training to guarantee the efficient and effective operation of your system. Contact our commercial HVAC specialists today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC installation expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Is every HVAC system the same? There are 4 types of HVAC systems: split systems, hybrid systems, duct-free systems, and packaged heating and air systems. Each of these types of HVAC units has advantages and disadvantages, and understanding these variables will help you determine which is ideal for you. How does HVAC in a commercial building work? The heating portion of an HVAC system is produced within the business building by employing radiators or supply air systems. What is your service area for the Kutztown office? Our commercial HVAC experts have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Kutztown, Kempton, Albany, Leonardsville, Edinburgh, Hamburg, Bern, Croomsville, New Smithville, Lyons, Dreville, Fredericksville, Topton, Mertztown, Maxatawny, Muslim Springs, Kirbyville, and Evansville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Kutztown, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC installation office located? We are located at 15260 Kutztown Road number 113, Kutztown, Pennsylvania 19530. Our phone number is 610-672-3053. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Kutztown-RD-Kutztown-HVAC-service.